Triumph Motorcycles has announced the launch of two stunning limited edition Rocket 3 models, honoring the legendary Evel Knievel and his iconic partnership with the British motorcycle brand. With only 500 units to be produced globally, these exclusive motorcycles offer riders a rare opportunity to own a piece of daredevil history, celebrating Knievel's record-breaking career and his legendary stunts. The new Rocket 3 limited editions are inspired by Knievel's famous white jumpsuit, adorned with his signature stars and stripes graphic on a striking white base. The limited edition bikes feature a brilliant chrome fuel tank, reflecting the daring spirit of the legendary stuntman. Complementing this eye-catching aesthetic are bold matte sapphire black panels. The rear bodywork, fly screen, headlight bow, mudguards, side panels, and rear bodywork all feature contrasting finishes, with a unique combination of pure white and matte sapphire black, further accentuating the motorcycle's commanding presence. The front mudguard proudly displays a new Evel Knievel graphic, while gold signature graphics embellish the radiator cowls, reinforcing the motorcycle's exclusive status. The custom leather seat is another standout feature, with a gold-embroidered Knievel signature logo, adding a touch of class to the daring design. Riders will also appreciate the bespoke startup screen animation. This bike packed the same world-class performance as the standard Rocket 3R and GT models, with a monstrous 2,500cc engine that delivers an impressive 182 PS at 7,000 RPM and 225 Nm of torque. This exceptional power is complemented by a lightweight aluminum frame, high-performance suspension, and top-tier braking components, ensuring exceptional handling and a thrilling ride. Each Rocket 3 Evel Knievel edition comes with a unique numbered black and gold cam cover plate, laser-etched with the Knievel signature, making every bike truly one of a kind. Additionally, every owner will receive a specially commissioned, limited edition hardback book, telling the story of Knievel's remarkable career and his iconic connection with Triumph. The book will be individually numbered to match the bike, ensuring that each owner takes home not just a motorcycle, but a piece of history.